Just a model I've been working on. I'm trying to show you how I do the putty. So I just put a bit of this plastic putty. Just thought I'd do a video while I'm doing it, just to show you. Keep it. So I'm just use a brush and just filling in all the areas. And just want to keep filling it. Don't be afraid to be a bit generous. Keep it full. Level it out. Level it out, and then we'll come back and smooth the top areas. So we're just going around filling the gaps here. It's quite good, this putty, because you have a lot of control over it. Just really push it in with your brush. Just get it in all the areas, all the gaps. There's a gap here as well. Now you can either water it down, or you can let it dry and you can file it down. But these awkward areas, I would tend to just water it down like this. So you want to try and blend it in, or at least keep it a thin consistency. And then when it dries, you might find that it sinks in, then you might have to build on top of that. Same as like when you're putting wood putty, you know, sometimes you might have to put a little bit, and then when it dries it kind of shrinks in, then you go over it again. If you water it down, I mean, you can even get a tissue and dab it. And dab some of the excess off, like that. Just going around the whole model, just trying to smooth things out. And you've got a bit of time as well to just work with it. You can also use your tissue if you think there's too much. Dab it off. Water that down and just keep going back and forth until you're happy. That's all you have to do. Let it dry, then build up. So yeah, just a little video. I just wanted to show you. I think I did another one, but I thought I'd just show you like in a bit more detail how I go about filling in the gaps. Another one we can do is up here, underneath the neck. And just pushing into the gaps. So you can put the putty there and then you just push it into the gaps. Get tissue, soak up the excess. There you can see at the bottom is filled it up. And then I'll do the back. So yeah, just thought I'd show you that. If you're interested in a miniature, the miniature is from Sergio's line. So just search for this. You can find it here. Great looking miniature. There'll be a video on painting for this as well. I'm gonna try out some new techniques that other people are doing, see how it works. So yeah, should be good. See you in the next video.